Alright, so I got some leftover chicken, so I'm thinking, hey, why not some chicken and dumplings? So let's find the recipe for some dumplings. So I've already put the 2 cups of flour in here. I got some salt. I got 1.5 cups of boiling chicken broth. I have the reserve half cup of flour. I of course got my rolling pin. And then it says 2 quarts of the chicken broth. Well, that'll be coming with my dinner here in a bit. Oops, sorry. So, it's kind of hard to see that. I'm sorry. Alright. So I'm gonna mix up my broth. I don't have a pastry mixer or whatever, so we're just gonna do a fork. Okay. So this is a half teaspoon, so it wants me to do a full teaspoon, so I'm gonna have to do 2. I forgot to show you the instructions. So it's mixed together well until make a soft dough. Put the half cup of flour on the breadboard. I don't have one, but I put it on the counter. Put dough on top, let cool enough to handle, then roll like pie crust. Cut into 1 by 2 inches strips. Let this dry for about 15 minutes. Drop into boiling chicken broth and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Well, I'm not sure if I didn't mix it right, because that's a pretty doughy dough. Am I gonna roll out this doughy dough like a pie crust? Yeah. I suck. That's okay. At least I knitted it, right? Yeah, I'm not sure if I did that really well. Let's go try it out. Sorry, I'm working at an odd angle. I have a tripod in my face, so I gotta learn how to like angle around it. Big Pete the Pie. Oh, that's pretty good. Stupid tripod throwing off my rhythm. Okay. I got a pizza cutter.